We're heading to Albury, New South Wales, a 6-hour drive from Sydney. If you're planning a road trip like this, here's what you can expect and a few tips along the way. Our first major stop, Big Merino in Goulburn. Standing 15 meters tall, this iconic structure was built in 1985 to honor Australia's wool industry. It's also known as Rambo. You can get closer to the structure, great for kids and photo ops. This stop is perfect for a quick break. There's fuel, food, and clean toilets nearby. We recommend this as your first rest point if you're leaving Sydney early. From here, we continued straight to Albury with a quick toilet stop. The highway is smooth and easy to follow, with plenty of roadside stops if you need to rest. We've just arrived in Albury, and we'll be checking into a hotel recommended by Team